Hi there. Today's juice is an alternative green juice. I prepped the lettuce as I wanted to up the veggie content to this recipe, but I didn't really make my mind up to include it until I got started. But as it doesn't really taste of much, I did include it to balance out the high fruit content. My melon wasn't very ripe and was still green, but for making a green juice that was fortunate for me, and it's okay for juicing to use a slightly unripe melon. In this juice you get vitamins A, B, C, magnesium, potassium, calcium, vitamin K, choline, phosphorus, copper, iron, zinc and manganese. The recipe's good for general immunity and kiwi and mint aid digestion, so good to have if you're a bit bloated or feeling uncomfortable. Lime juice can also be helpful to avoid kidney stones, but if you have got kidney stones or prone to kidney stones, contact me directly as I've got a useful home remedy for that. This one seemed like more of a short drink to me, so I thought it deserved a martini glass. Let me know how you get on.